Alright guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company EayonHair. I've worked with them plenty of times before. So of course you guys know I'm going to make sure to leave all the details down below. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Also turn those notifications on because you do not want to miss a video. The unit that I will be showing you guys today is their 13x6 deep part lace front wig. This one is in the texture deep curly. It is a natural color. It says the density is 180%. It's 22 inches in length. The cap size is medium, and then the lace color is light brown, and you also get a pre-plucked hairline. You do get your standard cap construction, which is 2 combs on the side, a comb in the middle, a comb in the back, and your adjustable straps, and you do get your soft lace. Also going to try to get up close so you guys can see the hairline, and then also what the knots look like, because these knots are fairly small and can easily be concealed using a little bit of powder or foundation. So today I'm going to go for the glueless method. I am just going to be wearing my wig grip. If you guys have not seen my wig grip video versus the wig grip cap, I'll make sure to leave those links down below. This is what the unit looks like on the mannequin head. Now I lightly bleached my knots, guys. I only left the bleach on for about 10 minutes, and that was just to kind of knock out some of the knots, but I didn't go too harsh to where it was a deep bleaching where I let it sit on for about 25 minutes. Now I'm going to work on cutting the lace off of this unit. I already knew when I put the wig on that this came over my ear, so I will have to go ahead and make some adjustments and cut some of the lace off by my ears, just so that I don't have to worry about it showing on the sides. And then I'm also not wearing an elastic band because I do have the wig grip on. It's fitting me okay. Another thing that I do want to mention is that on an everyday basis, I usually wear my wig grip and I don't wear a wig cap with it. So I forgot I had the wig cap on, and I also did another video, so I just ended up tossing the wig grip on top of it. But you do not have to wear a wig cap with the wig grip if that is something that you don't like to do. I like to put a little bit of oil around my hairline, and then I'll place the wig grip on top of it, and then I'm usually good to go. So right here I'm just focusing on cutting off the extra lace by my ear. Now I should have cut it off while I still had the lace attached, but like I said, sometimes I don't think when I'm doing these videos. And now just to lay everything down a little bit better, I'm gonna go in with my Got2b gel, and I'm only going to go over those little bit of baby hairs that I did mold down after I washed the unit. Now I did wash this hair using the Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner. The hair was very soft. I will let you guys know I did get a good amount of shedding after I washed the unit out. Now during the styling process I did not get a lot of shedding, but during the washing process I did. So I styled the front of this unit using the blue Lotta body foam wrap, and then I styled the waves in the back using the curl defining mousse. I'll make sure to pop some pictures up on the screen so you guys can see exactly which bottles I'm talking about. Along with that, I also make sure to link everything down below that I am using throughout the video to make it a little bit easier on you guys. You guys can see I did not use a lot of that Got2b gel. I just used a very small amount just to cover that very front area where I laid those hairs. So now I'm just going to go in with my Ruby Kisses 3D Contour Creator Powder Palette. The powder palette color that I have is in the color light medium, and I'm going to go around the hairline and also into the parting space. You do get your 6 inches of parting space, so you can part this on the left, the right, in the middle, and if you wanted to do a cute half up half down look, you can rock that also. After taking my wax stick, I'm going in with my HotComb. I'm just going to press out the very top of the hair, and then I am going to take my edge brush and then work over those hairs again just to kind of loosen them up and not have them look so stiff and crunchy. Then I'm going to go in with my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum, and I am going to work this throughout the hair. Now, as you guys can see, this hair has a really pretty luster because that curl defining mousse adds a nice shine to it. You don't want to use too much serum because you don't want your hair to come off oily, and you also don't want it to feel heavy or look stringy also. I'm really focusing on the very bottom of the hair because I want to make sure that it looks really nice and good. So this is what the hair is looking like now. As you guys can see, I fluffed it up and it looks even thicker. Now, of course, after I washed it, it was a little bit, you know, it wasn't as thick and didn't have a lot of volume to it, but now I think it looks really, really good. Ends of this hair didn't look super dry, which I was very happy about. However, after I put the serum in, I did notice a little bit of shedding. It wasn't too much. And then, of course, with this hair, I did not wear it out for a long period of time. So while I was styling the unit, I did not notice a lot of tangling, but I did notice a little bit of frizziness. Like, the more you play with this hair, of course, the bigger and frizzier it is going to look. But right now it's giving me off the wet look. So this is what it looks like. I love the wave pattern on this, guys. Like I said, when I first took it out of the package, it looked more on the curlier side, but the deep waves that it's giving me now is perfect for the summertime. It's perfect for the beach. It looks really good. Now, I have the 180% in density, and I feel like it's between 150 to 180. I feel like it's a little bit thinner in the hairline, and then it gets thicker towards the end, which I love because I don't want the hairline to be super thick. So guys, let's get into this hairline. This hairline is very nice. It already comes pre-plucked. I did not have to do any extra customizations to it. All I did was go in and lightly bleach the knots, and then I just used some of the baby hairs that they had in the front and cut them down, and then just swooped them over a little bit. The parting space is nice. I just had to add a little bit of powder on top of it just to kind of make it look more like scalp. Overall, guys, I honestly have no complaints when it comes to this hairline, the parting space, and I even made sure to take some footage without the ring light on so you guys can see what it looks like. As far as the wig grip method goes, you guys know that that is what I like to use because it works, especially if a wig is fitting to my head. I don't have to worry about gluing it down. Of course, I added the little bit of Got2b gel because the wig is a little bit big on my head. However, they do have a smaller cap size if you guys are about the same head size as me, which is a 21 to 21 and a half, but adding the little bit of gel definitely is going to help it stick. So guys, let me know what you think about this deep wave style. I think that it is very pretty. I don't think that the price is too bad. If you guys are interested in this unit, I will make sure to leave all the links down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.